Alright, so after 2 days of waiting sa rest ng ating HSI fragrance, okay na siya. I think that's enough rest for these fragrances. I have here 7. Actually, I only ordered 6, pero 7 ang dumating. I think they gave me the Nautica Voyage. Pero nga, review na natin to. Let's go! Number 1 on the list, syempre ang aking favorite is Versace Eros. Let's give it a go. Wait, alam ko lang papel. Skin scent na ba? Yeah, skin set na lang. Let's go. Spray natin siya. Isa lang. Oh, okay. From the first spray, may projection agad siya. I like it. And habang ginaganito ko, nagpo-project siya. That's good. That's good sign na meron siyang sillage. Pero yun nga, smell. Yes, it has that minty fresh scent. I can smell some vanilla. Pero parang medyo malayo siya sa Versace Eros na legit. It's more close sa Father and Son Intense. Yun yung masabi ko dun. Father and Son Intense, malapit niya. You know what? Para walang masabing madaya ako. Let's test it out with my Versace Eros. So right is the OGs. Yeah. Compared dito, medyo citrusy and minty yung opening niya. Compared to the legit na Eros, napaka-sweet na niya upon opening. But yeah, I mean, it has it. Maybe died down. Who knows? Pero yeah, projection and sillage is there. I like it. Okay, next na agad natin is the Dior Sauvage. Number 1 fucking fuckboy scent. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. You know what? I like how they did the Sauvage. Medyo mas fresh scent siya. And the soapy scent, it's there. Let's try the legit Sauvage. Here we go. You see? Tanga na. Yeah. Medyo mas strong scent si Sauvage ng HSI compared to the OG Sauvage. I think I prefer the OG Sauvage more sa opening niya since medyo milder siya, hindi siya ganun kahapdi. For sure kapag sa leeg na to, mahapdi na to. But shit, napakatapang niya, napaka-potent ng pagiging aromatic niya. Yeah, I like it. Di siguro sabihin natin na mas mataas pa si Eros kaysa kay Sauvage when it comes to HSI, siyempre. Next natin is Dylan Blue. I'm not a fan of Dylan Blue, pero okay. Let's see. Ano yun? Pakla ng amoy niya. I don't remember Dylan Blue having this smell. Pakla. Inamoy ko ba agad? Wait lang ang pakla talaga, gagi. Okay, Dylan Blue here. Ang pakla ng amoy niya. Opening, layo, pre. Layo. Okay, Dylan Blue ng HSI, medyo malayo kay Dylan Blue na OG. Hindi ko alam, ba't ang pakla niya? Wala siya ng oceanic scent na hinahanap ko sa kay Dylan Blue. Pakla. Hindi ko gusto. Next naman tayo sa favorite ng lahat, Ultra Male. Hindi ko alam ba't ang dami nagre-request, ang dami naghanap ng Ultra Male. By the way guys, disclaimer lang, if nag-Ultra Male kayo, please wear it during the night kapag malamig. Kasi promise, mag-underperform siya during the sun. Or pag mainit, pagpapawisan kayo. I'm telling you. Inatin dito. Sarit-sari na amoy ko, par! Wow! Okay. You know what? It's so sweet. I like how sweet it is. Hindi siya ganun katamis. It's not that sweet compared to the sa project ng Enzo. Pero, I think, mas kuhang-kuha niya si Ultra Male OG. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Whoa. You know what? Yeah. This do smell alike. Oh my god. Yeah. They smell so similar. Maybe may nakukulangan na ako. Medyo nakukulangan na ako sa ano ba yun? May kulang sa minty. Pero dude, andun siya pre, ang lapit. I like the Ultra Male so much. Okay, dahil naubusan na ako ng maglalagyan ng pabango sa kamay ko. Let's use paper. We are now using Versace Eros Flame. Yes, the better version of Versace Eros. You know what? This is a mild. Yeah, this is a mild one. Napaka-mild niya compared to the OG na Versace Eros. Let's test this out. Layo niya. Malayo. Medyo milder tone to. I don't like it. Wala hinahanap kong fruity, citrusy Eros. Malayo. Malayo yung Versace Eros Flame nila. Disappointed ako. Next would be the Nautica Voyage. Actually, hindi ko siya binili. They sell it for free. Maybe freebies. So, yes, let's go. Nautica Voyage. Alat, pre. Wait lang Kasi, if we're talking about Nautica Voyage, it's a sweet cucumber, fresh cucumber na bagong ligo ka. Yun yung definition ko kay Nautica Voyage. Pero, let's see. Yes. Yeah, upon spraying, andun agad siya eh. Medyo mas fresh si OG Nautica Voyage when it comes to spray. Yeah. Well, this is too salty. Yeah, mas oceanic yung vibes ni OG compared to dito. Medyo salty cucumber siya. Pero it's still fresh. Fresh pa rin siya. Pero yun nga, medyo salty yung scent niya para sa akin. Okay na rin. Yeah, na talaga. Last but not the least would be Creed Aventus. Yun. So, disclaimer lang, wala akong full bottle. So, pero meron akong decant. So, compare natin. Just to give justice. You know what? All I can say is this is a milder pineapple scent ng Creed Aventus. But yeah, to prove me wrong, I have here my Creed Aventus decant. Ang konti na, pre. Ang konti na. Dahil, no, tinitipid ko to eh. So now, let's go. To spray. Shit, masakit. Ouch! Ouch! Tanga na. There goes 20 pesos of my money. Yes. Yeah. HSI Creed Aventus is a milder take sa pineapple note niya. Pero yun nga. Still there. Actually, you know what this reminds me is Club Dinuit Intense. Yun nga. Medyo I like this one. Yeah, of course. It is the OG one. Pero nga, siguro kuha nila 85%. It's not that close, pero I'm just hoping for that, you know, medyo mataas na pineapple note, since yun nga yung parang selling point ni Creed Aventus. So yun na nga, ang daming nagre-request sa akin tong HSI, and I bought the motivational since sabi nila yun yung pinaka better version nila sa HSI. So yun na nga, ang pinaka gusto ko din sa kanila is yung Ultra Male. The Ultra Male, yun yung pinaka close para sa akin based on smelling it. Maybe my least favorite would be the Dylan Blue. Parang ang pakla ng amoy niya, hindi siya ganun ka-oceanic scent, which is yun yung hinahanap ko sa isang Dylan Blue. Pero overall, all I can say is almost similar. I cannot say close, pero yun nga, if I'm going to choose between Enzo scent or HSI, maybe I will choose